Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change card type in Anki. So yeah, we have two methods. We will go through both of them. So stick to the end of the video to find out more. So let's start with the method number one, which is change existing cards. So what we are going to do is Okay, so what we need to do is click on browse at the top of the main menu right here at the top. Select your card. So navigate to your deck in the left side bar. So highlight the specific cards you want to change in the center panel. Okay, so I will select this one. So to change the entire deck, click one card and press Ctrl A. So Ctrl A. Now you see all of them are selected. Open the change menu. So what we are going to do is click here on Notes in the top menu bar, then select Change Note Type. So find Change Note Type like that, and we will find here drop down and select the format you want. So fields current, we have font, front, back. Okay, so here is this one. So here at the top you can change it. So we have here basic, and we can change to close, for example. We can do image occlusion. So yeah, whatever you prefer. Anki will show you your current fields and ask where they should go in the new format. Ensure your main information aligns correctly. When you're happy with it, just click Save or OK button. Anki will automatically convert all the selected cards instantly. All right. Now, for the method number two, what we are going to do is open the Add window. So click Add at the top of the menu or in Anki. Click the Type button. So let me just like that, like so. Okay, now we have it right here. Now look at the very top left corner of the Add window. You will see a white button labeled Type. So it's right over here. Click on it. Select Template. A list of your available cards layout will appear. Click the layout you want to use. So let's go with that one. Click Choose, like so. In the bottom right corner of the pop-up window, your input boxes will immediately change to match the new format. And yeah, that's basically it. Sorry, I could do that with this one to show you, like so, really quickly. Choose, and yeah, like so. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next